What's going on, everybody? Welcome to my channel. For today's video I'm going to replace oil filter and diesel filter with a valve. But before I do, I'm going to remove this lower spoiler for better access. That's the one. See, clips in here. Yeah, so let's go remove another one. That's another one. And now better access. So I'm going to take it for a small drive to warm up engine, and the oil will drain easier. First thing, I'm going to open oil cup, my oil pan, and I'm going to need 19 mil. So oil is draining. Now we have drain plug, so now we can remove the oil filter. So we do have oil filter right there. So that's the oil filter. You see, it's already loose. See, yeah, and I'm going to show you how I did lose it. So I'm going to take a key. This is a new filter, and you go underneath right here. You see, just put your key there. You see, and then you are able to turn it. So that's the way how I do it. And two hands. So you can see the oil filter is out. Yeah, make sure the rubber seal is out too. Wipe the area a little bit. Take a little bit of oil, and we can lubricate this gasket a little bit. So I'm going to put a little bit of oil inside. So new oil filter, I did just hand tied it. Don't forget drain plug, so I put it back. So now I can fill it up with fresh oil. I'm using 10W40 with, you can see here, Volkswagen specification number 50500. So we are good. See, there is a minimum, maximum, so we can put cap, oil cap back. Just going dipstick, MK2. So she took 4 liters. I did put some into the filter too, so we're going to start it for a minute and then check the oil dipstick again. So I did run it for a minute. I checked for everything for a leak, like oil filter dried, drain plug dried, so there is no leak whatsoever, and we are low on the oil after a minute run, so I will put more oil inside. So now we are between marks, maximum in, and she took 4.5 liters of oil. The fuel filter next, there is a screw. I did lose it already a little bit, so the fuel filter is loose. So I'm going to remove them fuel lines. The valve, there is a clip. Yeah, I'm going to reuse it. Carry a clip here, so we will need it later. See? Filter. I did put 2 pipes already back. You can put some fresh diesel in. Yeah. Okay. It's okay. So I will show you something. I hope you'll be able to see. You see the mark there? I'm not sure you can see it. It should go this direction anyway. No, probably not anyway, so we have to put it the same direction, like that, like the old one. So fuel lines are back. The screws are nice, tight, even the bottom one, so we can try to start it. We leave the fuel pump work a couple times, ignition off and on. Should be okay. Yep. She runs. She died, so one more time. She runs. Shut it off. Next I'm going to put the lower spoiler back and take it for a drive. So thanks for watching me and see you next time.